Hey there guys, I'm Brandon Kemmer at Cutting Edge Karate and Krav Maga. Parents come to me all the time saying their child doesn't have any confidence and they want to look to fix that. Well, how do we do that here at Cutting Edge Karate? Every kid needs to experience wins. We start with an evaluation class where they just learn the basic fundamentals of martial arts. Before they move on to the more advanced, cooler moves, they've got to start with the basics. And every achievement, like breaking a board, earning a new belt, or maybe winning their first tournament, makes them feel amazing. They learn that with effort and practice, they can accomplish almost anything. We call that confidence through competence. As they improve and experience wins in martial arts, their belief in themselves just skyrockets. And every month, I see kids walking into this school, hiding behind their parents. They won't even make eye contact with me because they're too afraid to even get on the mat. Within weeks, I see them making new friends and confidently yelling out, "Yes, sir!" It's amazing to watch. Our staff here also we're here to support every student. We create an environment that is safe for them to try, to make mistakes, and to learn so that kids can step out of their comfort zone and take on new challenges. Some of my students, even the shyest ones, are now in our leadership program where they're helping other students. They're teaching them, they're taking initiative, they're helping students get over their fears, and their confidence starts bleeding out into every area of their life, in school and home and everywhere. I absolutely love seeing those students make that transformation. At Cutting Edge Karate and Krav Maga, we're committed to helping students grow and to speak up for themselves. So come and visit us and try a free evaluation lesson. And thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon.